In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a message in Slack. Scheduling messages can be incredibly useful when you want your thoughts to reach someone at the right time, whether it's to correspond with different time zones or to avoid sending messages during non-working hours. Let's start by opening Slack. You can do this by accessing the app on your desktop, mobile device, or simply opening it in a web browser. Once you have Slack open, navigate to the workspace and channel or direct message where you plan to send your scheduled message. If you're on a human resources channel, for example, or maybe you're directly messaging a team member, select that conversation. Now that you've chosen your recipient, it's time to compose your message. Type your message in the text box at the bottom of the screen, just as you normally would when sending any Slack message. It doesn't matter if it's a brief note or an elaborate explanation. The scheduling feature will handle it just the same. Next, focus on the Send button, usually located at the bottom right. You'll notice there's a small arrow next to the Send icon, and clicking this will pull up the scheduling options. Instead of sending your message immediately, you're about to schedule it, which is perfect for ensuring your communication is timely and effective. When you click the arrow, you'll see the option to select a custom time for your message to be sent. Some default times may already be listed, but for full control over when your message goes out, you'll want to select custom time. This is particularly helpful when you're aiming to capture someone's attention as soon as their workday begins, or maybe just before a meeting. Once you've clicked on the custom time, you can set the date and time you want your message to be sent. This feature is remarkable for maintaining communication across different time zones and ensuring you're not disturbing colleagues during their personal time. Just be sure that your scheduled time aligns well with your recipient's availability. After selecting the precise timing, you might notice the selected schedule gets highlighted, confirming your choice. Make sure everything looks right before proceeding. The final step is to click Schedule Message. This will queue your message and guarantee it is delivered precisely when you intended. If plans change, you can always reschedule or cancel the message by navigating to the Scheduled section in Slack. And that's all there is to it. By using these steps, you ensure your Slack communication is thoughtful, well-timed, and more effective for everyone involved. Happy scheduling!